Hai, jumpa lagi bersama saya Kartini Sihombing Kasih. Halo sahabat kasih sekalian, apa kabar? Semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat. Oke, malam hari ini, pada hari ini sampai jumpa kembali bersama saya dengan Kartini Sihombing. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kartini Sihombing Kasih. Today I want to explain you how to remove the wrong pattern on my worksheet in Excel. Okay. For example, I wanna give you some example. For this time, I will give you the title. What's that? The quantity or the price of some things, of many things, of the things. Yeah. For example, I will give you the name of things. For example, I give you, for example, computer and then cupboard and then table. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry table. And then what's that? Cupboard iPhone, for example. And then television. Maybe this is the electricity. This is the electronic things that you have. Ya, contohnya misalnya nama komputer, lemari, meja, iPhone, televisi. Kemudian then I will write the price of each thing, the price. Okay. For example, the price of the computer is about 5,000 or 6,000. Okay. And then cupboard 300,000, and table maybe 1 million, and then iPhone is 12,000. Oh my god, it's 1 2 3 4, it's more than 6. I have to use. Okay, and then television is 2,000, 2 billion. 1 2 3 4 6. Okay, 60. Okay, and then the quantity that you have, jumlah yang kamu punya, the quantity that you have. For example, this is computer 14 pieces, cupboard maybe 5, but the table and iPhone, you don't mention how many that you have. Okay, and television maybe I have 6. Okay, so I want to know the average price of these things. I want to search. Yeah, I want to count the average price of those things. Okay, and then I want to make the average price. Okay. Nah, harga rata-rata. So if I want to count the average price, maybe I just want to divide. I want to write equal the price divided to is divided to 12, the quantity. Okay, maybe I can get this one. Okay, before I want to give the number of our money. Maybe I make it in rupiahs. I want to format first. Number, currency counting. Okay, I want to make it rupiah. Okay, you can search RP. I can. Okay, I can find by type Indonesian and just search Indonesian, and then I don't want to make decimal place. I don't want to use it. Okay, I click OK, and then it's the same like this. Okay, but the pattern is equal, the price is divided to quantity. Okay, then I pull this to below. Nah, so in D4 ya, di kolom D4 saya akan menemukan, I will find ya, I will find the error. So how can I solve this error? Okay, I will make the next column. Yeah, I made the new column. Okay, the second average price. Yeah. Okay, how can I solve it? Okay, the answer is I want to make equal, and then if error, yeah, I use this value. Okay, and then value I will give the price, make the price divide to this, and then I will make apostrophe strip, and then apostrophe, and then close. What will happen? Okay, I want to make this to the rupiahs format cell first, counting Indonesian. No. I have to find it by itself. Indonesian. Okay, decimal 0, and then I pull this to below. So there is no error again. So the answer is this is the value. Oh my god, I cannot do this. Okay, I just make it into the next time. Ya, jadi kuncinya adalah saya harus menggunakan if error sama dengan if error, use this value, and then saya buat dari harga dibagi dengan kuantitas jumlah, kemudian koma, baru titik 2, strip, titik 2, tutup kurung. Loh. Okay, jadi so the pattern is like this. Okay, if error until this. Okay. Okay, so this is the pattern. Yeah, you can see. I will make it in the blue alphabet. Okay. You can see it. Oh, it's good. This is the pattern. Yeah, this is price atau jumlah dan jumlah dan ini datanya tadi untuk menghilangkan error ini. Seperti ini. Kita gunakan sama dengan if error B2 divide C2 dibagi C2, kemudian bikin strip, apostrof itu tutup kurung. So jawabannya inilah kuncinya untuk hari ini. Ya, mungkin itu rumus-rumus yang tidak terlalu ribet, tapi kadang-kala kita dipertemukan. Semoga saja ini bermanfaat. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Oke. Thank you for your attention. If you like this video, you can follow me, you can subscribe me, and you can support me so I can and I want to upload the other video that can improve our ability about Microsoft Excel. Okay, we are here to learn together. Kita belajar di sini bersama. Kurang lebihnya kami mohon maaf. Sampai jumpa di video saya selanjutnya. Bye.